To add a family member to your YouTube TV, you will need a family group. To create a family group, you should first sign in to YouTube TV, then you navigate to your profile, settings, and family sharing. Next, you select Manage, Get Started, and create a family group. You'll be asked to review your account information and then you select Confirm. Next, you'll be asked to invite your family members who will get an email invitation to join the group. They can use their Google accounts to sign in. You can add your family members with their email or phone number. If you already have a family group and you would like to add some family members, you should again first sign in to YouTube TV and navigate to your profile. Click your profile picture, settings, and family sharing. Here we select again Manage. Next, you can enter the email address or phone number of the family member that you want to invite. Then you select Send and you'll get an email notification when someone joins your family group. This information was from YouTube TV Help Guide. I've linked it in the descriptions if you would like some further information. I thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye!